Hello students. So today we will study about the lists in HTML, that how we create the lists on the web page. So a list is the most effective way of the representing information in a precise manner. Okay. So whether it is the minutes of a meeting or whether it is a list of the grocery items, or you can also see the list of the ingredients in the recipe, or you can also see the table of contents of a document. So you will find the use of list in all of them. You can see the listing of the items on the menu of the restaurant. In the restaurant, when you visit any restaurant, what do you find there? So the waiter gives you a menu, and that menu contains a list of all the items which is served by the restaurant persons. Okay. Now that list may be presented in the ordered or maybe in the unordered. So ordered list means when the list of items are written in a specific order. By there should be some numbering like ABCD or 1 2 3 4 or Roman numerals. In another list is the unordered list when the list is not presented in any specific order. There you find some symbols of bullets like the stars, like the circles, like the disk symbols. All these we use. Okay. Now see the first unordered list. So this unordered list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular order. There should not be any order. Means the first item can be also written at the second place, or the third item can also be written on the first place. So there is not any specific order you have to follow in that. So while writing the items in the unordered list, we do not worry about the position of the items in the list. Now the unordered list is started with the UL tag open and close. So this UL unordered list is a container tag, so its opening and closing are both needed. So if to create an unordered list, you open the UL tag and close the UL tag. Now inside this container tag, you will use the list tag, which is the empty tag, and after the list tag, li tag, you will write the name of the items to create the unordered list. So you see this UL tag indicates UL tag indents each item in the list and adds a bullet against each of them. So by default in the unordered list, you will find the disk symbol, disk bullet. That is why the unordered list is also known as the bulleted list. For example, a list of your stationery items is given here: pen, eraser. Here you see the bullet, that the star mark is used. So this is called the bullet. So in the this star is called the bullet. Now li tag. This is the list of items. So to list the items in unordered list or ordered list, in both the case we use this li tag to list the items. So you can display the listed items in an ordered or unordered list by using the li tag. By default, the list of items are preceded with a solid circle. See here, solid circle. If you are not specifying any the type of the bullet attribute, this is the type is the attribute which takes the value as a solid circle or disk or square. So using the closing tag in li is optional. You can close it also, and it is not a mandatory. So it also works as the empty tag. So let us create an unordered list. See here on the code. HTML open close, inside the head title is written inserting list. How you insert the list? Now body background color is set light yellow. Font for the text is set color blue. Font color blue. Now see the bold tag written benefits of positive attitude. And the colors is given below. That's all are appearing blue color here in the output. You can see on the right side. Okay. Now you see the UL tag open and close. Now UL open, and at the below you can see the UL is also closed. Okay. Yes. Now see this UL is closed. Now the font is open here and the font is closed here. So till here between this font open and close, all the items will be, all the text will be appear in blue color. All the text color will be blue. See here it is mentioned font open and close. So what did close? All that text which is enclosed within this font open and close will appear in the blue color on the web page due to this only. Now see the list in the unordered list is listed by using the li tag, increases productivity. After that it will give the one line space, you will find next line, it will be printed. It also work as a BR tag also. It will break the line. After writing increases productivity, it will break the line. Again second line improves quality. See, and the UL here you will find the solid circle, that is called the disk. So by default you will find the disk. If you want to change this bullet, you can use the type attribute inside the UL. You can write type is equals to square. UL inside this area you write the type equals to square, and you will find the square bullet. I will show you on the notepad after writing the code and executing there, but how we can change it. Okay, so here you can see this is the output of the order list, how we create order list. Now second, the start attribute. Now here we move to the order list thing. Now the order list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. So specific order means here the if you change the list of the position of the items in the list, then it will create a confusion, means it will disturb the meaning of the sentences. So now see here, it indents and gives a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as the number list. So before each item there should be a numbering, that first you have to do this, and second you have to do this. Means it is used to create a procedure also, that step by step what you have to follow. To give the instructions also, the order list is followed. So what you have to check first, this second time you have to check this, like this. Now the list begins with and end with the OL open tag and OL close tag. See, begins with the OL and end with this angular bracket forward slash OL tag close. So order lists are mostly used in the situations where the order of the item is significant, means where the order of the item is important, or where it is required to keep a count of the number of items. So you have to count also where it is important, that how many things are there available. Suppose it is to be count that how many computers are there in the school. So it should therefore be given the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is easy to count by seeing the last number, that is 60. Means there is 60 computers in the lab. Okay. So see the code of the order list, how we create. Now HTML head and the title order list. Now body background color is set the peak of, and left margin is set 50 pixel, top margin 25 pixel. Okay. Peach epoxy with background color. Now the font color for the text is set red. Here in the first heading label is used recipe for pancake, and the font size is 6 given and color blue. Okay. Here this font is set for the heading, this recipe for pancake. Here it is open and close. Now the font size again another font tag is used to set the size 6 and color blue. Okay. Here size is not set, so default it will use only 3 pixel. So now see the OL tag. OL open. Now you see the list of items alike tag in a large bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, salt and sugar. I am not going to read all these things. These are the steps how you create it, how you prepare a pancake. Okay. So if any list you mix it, suppose at the beginning in the large bowl you have not mixed the flour and baking powder. First step you are writing what, make well in the center and pour in the milk. So where you make well in the center, man, and where you pour the milk, egg and melted butter. So if you write it first, so it will create a confusion for a person who is going to read. So that's why here the importance is given on the what steps which should be followed first. So which should be followed first should be given at the step number 1. So here numbering should be done. Okay, first 1, second this, third this, fourth this, like this you have to do. Now see, after writing all the list of items in the order list, see OL tag is closed. Now font is closed. Now all this text will appear in the blue color and size will be 6. Okay, now you can see the output also. See here recipe for pancakes is in the red color. Now here the size you can find. This is the heading given. Now here you can see the size and the color blue. And see the number before each item 1, 2, 3, 4. That is done with the help of the order list. Now you can see this numbering style also you can change with the help of the type attribute. Here in the type value you can give A. Then if you give A, then it will here start numbering. It will start giving A, B, C, D. If you write small a, so numbering will be in the small A, B, C, D. If you write Roman numeral type equals to I, it will start in the Roman numeral. Type equals to capital I, so in the capital Roman you will find. Okay. So you can see the menu tag is also used to create a menu list. So the menu tag denotes the start of the menu, and the this menu close denotes the end of the menu list. See in the type attribute what you are using. See the type attribute specifies. So let me move to the next here. Next page. Yes, here is also something. So now see the start attribute. So the start attribute is used to start the counting from which number. Suppose if you give the value, you want to start the counting from 3. You don't want to start from 1. So what you write, OL start equals to 3. Now here is the numbering to the first item is given 3. So numbering will be start from, counting will start from 3. You can see the code. Here OL start equals to 3. First item is integrity, second is unselfishness, Okay, so like this you have to do it. Okay, so this you will do. Just please give me a 1 minute. My battery of laptop is running slow, so let me connect the charger. Okay, please wait. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Now we start. Now, as we are discussing here, now see you can see the list of in this order. They start from its numbering is start from 3, 4, and 5. See the integrity is given the number 3, and unselfishness given number 4, and understanding given number 5. Okay. Now, see another attribute is the reverse attribute. If you write in the well reversed attribute you use, see the reverse attribute when used into the well element allows the list to appear in the reverse order. So its numbering will be reversed from 3, 2 and 1. It is a boolean attribute and as such it does not accept any value. It is either true or false. False is the divide value. Means if you are not writing the attribute this reversed in the well, so it is not it's the absent is marked as false value. So if it is present, then this means the this reverse attribute value is true. So the value becomes true when the attribute reverse is associated with the well element. So whenever you write this reverse attribute with the well, so its value uh, is taken as a true. Now see here OL start equals to 3 and reversed. So reversed means what? Now it is true. So the list will be made in the reverse order. See 3, 2 and 1. Okay, like this you can see it. So now we move to the next type attribute. Now you can see the type attribute specifies the type of numbering and bullets used to mark the items in an ordered and unordered list. So which I have discussed that in unordered list you can give the value for the type attribute. See disk, this is the default also, and circle, and this is the square. So disk is a solid circle. Okay, like OL in the order list you can write OL type equals to 1. So listing will be done like this: number 1, 2, 3. OL type equals to capital A, B, C. OL type equals to small f, so lowercase letter c, and OL type equals to capital I, so uppercase Roman number you can see. OL type equals to small I, so lowercase Roman numbering is done. So square, filled square you find in the this is used in the unordered list too, bulleted style. Now how to insert the list? See here in the body, see background color is set green, as you can see the green background of the web page. Left margin given 50 pixel and the top margin given 25 pixel. Okay. Now see the components of digestive system. This is the given heading for the web page. Okay, in the bold color yellow and the font see close size 8 given. Now font size 6, color white. Color white, see text of the color white is set, and in the your unordered list type equals to circle, see the circle bullet, and now the list is given mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach. You can see this list of items for the unordered list. Now when we go down you can see unordered list close. Last list of items in the unordered list is the rectum and anus, and after see the font also close. Now in the bold tag open, font tag open, size set 8, color equals to cyan. Now the components of circulatory system, see that is written in the cyan color and size is 8. Now here the font is closed. Now next time font again, font tag is open, size is set 6 and color white for this ordered list. Now OL tag is open, see OL tag equals to a list of items, the heart, arteries, where if you are writing see two lists in one line, then also it will appear in a different line. See, so list always break the line. First list write the item and break the line. Second list write the item what is and break the line. It will appear in the next line. Now see the font close, body close, HTML close. Okay, like this. So now we move to the next topic. Now see nested list. So we can create a nested list also, but this we will discuss in the next class, that how we create a nested list, means a list within the list. Okay, that inside the order list you can create the unordered list, inside the order list you can create the unordered list also. Now we move on the it's working. Let's see how we write the code, how we create the list on the web page. Okay, now see here, I have written this code for this ordered list and unordered lists. As you can see here, the background color for the web page I have set equaline, top margin I given 50 pixel, left margin I not given. Text for the entire default text I have set the blue color for the all. If the font tag I will not use in my inside of the body tag, so otherwise by default the text of the web page is the blue I have set. Now left margin also I can see left margin and